Hello friends, welcome to Reliable Tricks. In this video I am show you how you can use your memory space as your computer RAM. Before starting, please subscribe our channel to get different types of tricks. First, open your PC. Then select the drive which you want to make your PC RAM. If you want to format your drive, you can do as your wish. If you want to not format a drive, you can ignore this step. But the profit of format as much, you can free your drive space which you used as RAM. Used an TFS format. We are ready for the next step. Select your drive and go to Properties by right-clicking. You can see a Ready Boost option in Properties. Select this option and see the next step carefully. Here you can see 3 options. You can use second option. This option select the free space and use as RAM. Third option, you can select the space which you want to use as a RAM. I show you the proof by opening the different types of softwares like After Effects and Photoshop. But now I select the third option which give customization of your space. You can select second option as your wish. After selecting, click on Apply. Click OK. You can see the select drive becomes full. Here is new file is created which used the memory space as RAM. You can see the size of this file. Now you can see the computer speed is increase. Now this extra RAM is used to boost up your function. Now I show you the proof by opening the different types of softwares. Watch carefully. I open the After Effects, which is quite big software for my PC. You can see it take less time to open. Now I show you my computer actual RAM. You can see my actual RAM is 4 GB. You can see Chrome is open very fast while After Effects is running. It is big software, so it takes some time to open. You can see the time because I do not pause the video. Here After Effects is opened. Now I open the next software. I open the Media Encoder, which is quite big software. You can see it does not take much time to open. Now this software is opened. Now I opened the third software. Now you can trust on this video. I hope you liked the video and this video is being helpful for you, so please subscribe our channel to support us. I hope you have a nice day.